unemployment in India. Generally, the people who are aged between 15 to 35, they are called Gen Z, Gen Z individuals. And they are who are unemployed. They are who wants to work based upon their capabilities to undertake any employment opportunities. They are ready to work during 7 days. They are ready to work as a regular employee in so many sectors. Now, because of improved opportunities for the people, for the young age people between 15 and 35, the unemployment rate came down to 4.8% compared to 5.2% in the previous quarter. This is because of improvement across rural and urban areas. So jobless rate in rural areas has reduced to 4%, and while the urban rate is reduced to 4.4%. So this is reduced from 5.2% unemployment rate from the previous quarter. Now, since the young individuals between 15 and 35 are showing more interest to undertake any employment opportunities to be able to undertake many employment, and having talent, innovation, creativity, they are able to attract the many entrepreneurs and employment opportunities. Many organization employment opportunities. Digital infrastructure is making many things easy for employees as well as employers. The communication between the employer and employee is clear and fast and perfect communication. Information is also because of advanced digital infrastructure available. The passing of information is also became fast and perfect, which is reducing the time and improving the productivity, quality, and fast performance. So this is because of this characteristic of fast and perfect, because of digital infrastructure availability, the employment rate reduced to 4.8% compared to 5.2% in the previous quarter. So all these opportunities are possible because of the innovation talent displayed by the young people. Now we are seeing many global entrepreneurs, investors are showing interest to invest in India, and also the entrepreneurs are showing to establish their organizations establishments in India, especially in southern parts. Also, entrepreneurs and investors showing interest to invest and carry on their activities from Hyderabad, Bangalore, Pune, like these places too, in addition to existing metro cities like Chennai, Bombay, Delhi, Calcutta, and all these. Now nearly there are 8 to 10 cities has emerged as destinations for investment as well as innovation hub for domestic as well as global entrepreneurs and investors. So because of this reason, because of more and more employment opportunities and infrastructure opportunities are in infrastructure facility, that may be road work or railways work, electrical energy work, or a skill development, healthcare. All these are giving a lot of opportunities for young Indians to exhibit their talent and to reach higher levels of their employment. And because of this reason, the unemployment rate has reduced to around 4.86% compared to 5.2% in the last quarter. So this is one of the good reasons. Not only in domestic as well as global investors also showing interest to invest in India, and also global entrepreneurs are showing interest to establish their organizations, offices or establishments in India because of the policies framed by the central government. Those stable policies prescribed by the central government, as well as the facilitating administration, means supporting administration, also helping the people, helping the entrepreneurs to invest in India.